Question number 1. Total number of bones in human body. The right answer is 206. Friends, let's revise the question with us. After each question, we will take 2 to 3 seconds pause in which you can revise your answers. Next question is total number of muscles present in human body. 639 muscles. Next question. Largest organ of the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is a largest organ of the cell. Mostly it is situated in the center of the cell. It contains various structures. It is a membrane bound structure. Sometimes it is also known as brain of the cell. Genetic material like chromosomes are situated in the nucleus. Next question. Total number of cranial nerves. 12 pairs. In our body, 12 pairs, total 24 cranial nerves are present. Normal weight of kidney. In a healthy adult, each kidney weight approximately 150 grams. Kidney is a bean-shaped structure. Its length approximately 15 centimeters. It is purple in color. What is the normal weight of heart? Heart weight ranges between 250 to 350 grams. In healthy adult females, it weighs approximately 250 grams, where in males, healthy adult males, their heart weighs around 320 grams approximately. Male have heavy heart as compared to the females. Next question number 7. Number of lobes present in right lung. Right lung can be divided into 3 lobes. Next question is number of lobes present in left lung. The right answer is 2. Due to the space occupied by the heart, left lung is having 2 lobes only, where right lung is having 3 lobes. Blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from heart to the body parts. Next question. Blood vessels that carry blood to the heart. Veins are the type of blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from the body part to the heart. In our body, pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. Outermost covering of heart is pericardium. Heart is a structure, it is a hollow muscular organ that is shaped like a fist. It is covered by the 3 layers: outer layer pericardium, middle layer myocardium, inner layer endocardium. Other name of adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, also known as suprarenal gland. It is known as suprarenal because it is situated just upon the kidney. Next question. Which bone is known as thigh bone? Femur. Femur is known as the thigh bone. It is the strongest bone and heaviest bone also. Cerebrospinal fluid CSF pressure during lying position. CSF pressure during lying position approximately 15 centimeters H2O. What is the normal pH of blood? It is a very important and easy question. Normal pH of blood 7.35 to 7.45. Which organ of the cell is known as protein factory? Ribosomes are known as protein factory of cell because they produces protein in the cell. Largest joint of our body. Knee joint is the largest joint of our body and it is a most complex joint also. What is the normal cardiac output? Approximately 5000 ml. To calculate the cardiac output, heart rate is multiplied by stroke volume. Our normal heart rate approximately 72 per minute and the stroke volume approximately 70 ml per minute. 70 ml. So 72 multiplied by 70, approximately the answer 5000 ml. What is the normal pH of urine? 6.8. Length of spinal cord? Approximately 45 centimeters. One thing you can also remember with this, the newborn baby's length at the time of birth approximately 45 to 50 centimeters. Process of blood cell formation in our body is known as hemopoiesis. Which organ is known as the pacemaker of heart? SA node. Sinoatrial node is known as the pacemaker of heart. It is a specialized cardiac muscle cell structure situated in right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. It generates impulse at the rate of approximately 100 per minute. The impulses generated by the SA node causes heart to contract and relax. So it is known as the pacemaker. Duration of complete cardiac diastole. Important. 0.4 second. Total duration of cardiac cycle 0.8 seconds. Next question. Middle layer of the heart is known as myocardium. Next question. Friends, if you like this video, then please click upon the like button. Thank you. Location of visual area found in which lobe of brain? The visual center or visual area found in occipital lobe of the brain. Occipital part of brain is just upon the back of neck. If a person gets injured in this area, he can lose his vision due to presence of this visual field or visual area in this region. Which vitamin helpful in blood clotting? Vitamin K. Name the cheekbone. Zygomatic bone is known as cheekbone. Length of the small intestine? Approx 5 meters. Broadest part of GIT is stomach. Stomach is the broadest part of our gastrointestinal tract. A structure which divides anterior segment of the eye into anterior and posterior chambers called iris. Iris is a colored part of eye. Due to the iris, our eyes see different colors like brown, black, green, blue, etc. Next question is another name of epinephrine hormone. Adrenaline. Another name of norepinephrine hormone. Noradrenaline. A structure which separates thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity called diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped structure that separates thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Our lungs are situated in thoracic cavity and stomach and other intestine organs are situated in the abdominal cavity. Name the first part of the small intestine. Small intestine started just after the stomach. Its first part is known as duodenum, then jejunum, and in the last ileum. Next question, conversion of glucose to glycogen called glycogenesis. When in our body glucose level is increases, then our body converts the glucose into glycogen form. Liver stores the glycogen. When we need glucose, the glycogen again converted into glucose. Conversion of glycogen to glucose called glycogenolysis. The process by which glycogen is converted into glucose is known as glycogenolysis. Give the name of auditory ossicles. Simply we are asking, give the name of bones present in ear that are helpful in listening. In our ear, three types of bones are present. These are malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is smallest bone of our body. Percentage of oxygen in atmospheric air. Approximately 21% oxygen is present in our atmosphere. 78% nitrogen is present in our atmosphere. It is maximum. Next question, give the name of all meningeal layers. Meningeal layers are the layers that cover brain and spinal cord. They have protective functions. The outer meninges is known as dura mater, middle is arachnoid mater, and inner is pia mater. Total 3 meningeal layers are present. Largest branch of brachial plexus. Radial nerve. Longest muscle of our body. Sartorius muscle is the longest muscle of our body. Upper chamber of heart is known as atrium. There are 2 atriums. Lower chambers of the heart known as ventricles. They are 2 in number. Blood clotting factor number 4. Blood clotting factor number 4 is known as calcium. Main intracellular cation. Potassium. Which bone is known as kneecap? Patella. What is the normal tidal volume? 500 ml. Normal percentage of water in our urine. In our urine, 96% water is present. How many ventricles are present in brain? Total 4 ventricles are present. Total number of blood clotting factors, 13. So friends, this is our today's video, 50 important anatomy physiology questions. If you think this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for nurses preparation for more interesting videos.